Hey, everyone! I just returned from an incredible stay at the Seagull Beach Resort in Hurghada, Egypt, and I wanted to share the real scoop with you. If you're planning a trip, make sure to use the link or scan the QR code in my description for the best booking rates. First impressions. The check-in process is incredibly smooth thanks to the express and private check-in options available. You'll notice the staff is professional and the 24-hour front desk makes arriving at any hour a breeze. Room comfort. The rooms are beautifully appointed with air conditioning and lovely private balconies or terraces. I loved the tile flooring, which stays cool, and having an electric kettle and minibar right at hand made my mornings so much easier. Around the hotel. The resort is perfectly situated in Hurghada, with local spots like Papa's Bar just a short walk away. It's a great base if you want to explore the local area while still having a sanctuary to return to. Dining variety. You will never go hungry here, with multiple dining options ranging from the international buffet at Cleopatra to specialized seafood at Fisherman. The food court is also a lifesaver, offering everything from Chinese to Italian cuisine. Leisure options. Whether you want to splash in the water park or find peace in the beautifully landscaped gardens, there's so much to do. For active travelers, there are tennis courts, a fitness center, and even squash facilities. Spa Serenity. The spa facilities are a total highlight, offering rejuvenating body wraps and soothing massages. I highly recommend spending an afternoon in the sauna or the hot tub to truly unwind. Evening entertainment. Nights at the resort are anything but boring, with a lively nightclub and fun karaoke sessions. If you prefer something more laid back, the games room with billiards and darts is a fantastic way to spend an evening. Worth the price. With an exceptional 9.0 rating, you really get a premium experience for your money. The combination of great facilities, a private beach, and diverse activities makes it a standout choice in Hurghada. Overall, Seagull Beach Resort is a fantastic choice for both families looking for fun and couples seeking relaxation. Don't forget to click the link in my description to book your stay today.